industry redefining agricultural landscape and setting new standards for excellence. Now, I would like to invite our panel members, Mr. Murli Manohar Kabra, Managing Director, Aluand Architectural Limited. Welcome, sir. Mr. Govinda Kabra, Chief Marketing Officer, Aluand Architectural Limited. Welcome, sir. Mr. Nikunj Kanodia, Merchant Banker, Corpus Advisors Private Limited. And Mr. Nikunj Mittal, Market Maker, NNM Securities Private Limited. Welcome, sir. Now I request Mr. M.M. Kabra, sir, to give the presentation of the company.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मैं एम काबरा एज ए क्वालिफिकेशन से मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हूँ और मैं आपको एल्यूविंड की पूरी जर्नी के बारे में यहाँ कुछ चीज़ों का मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। जैसे कि एजुकेशन के बाद में हर किसी की इच्छा होती है कि कुछ करने की, तो वैसे ही मेरी इच्छा हुई कि मैंने अपने होम सिटी से एजुकेशन करा। उसके बाद में मैं बॉम्बे की तरफ आया और 1986 में मैंने बॉम्बे आके अपने करियर स्टार्ट किया। 3-4 साल जॉब किए, फिर बाद में यही एल्यूमिनियम इंडस्ट्री से मैंने अपनी करियर स्टार्ट किया। कुछ मार्केटिंग के, कुछ अपने सभी टाइप के अपने बिजनेसेस को सीखा और फिर बाद में एज ए बिजनेस कम्युनिटी होने के कारण मैंने सोचा क्यों ना अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया जाए। तो जैसे तैसे 3-4 साल में अपना काम किया और फिर कुछ 5,000 रुपया इकट्ठा हुआ तो मैंने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट की। बहुत छोटे स्केल से मैंने अपना काम चालू किया, जहां पे 1 विंडो 2 विंडो धीरे धीरे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सीखा और धीरे धीरे अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हुए ये काम स्टार्ट किया। देन 90s में हम लोगों ने फैमिली वेंचर के हिसाब से ये बिजनेस को और एक्सपांड किया। कुछ फैब्रिकेशन अपने इंडस्ट्री से सीखा और नए नए प्रोडक्ट को, इनोवेशंस को इन्वॉल्व किया और जर्नी को आगे बढ़ाते गए हर स्केल में। बट हम लोगों ने उस टाइम पे अपनी कंपनी का एक मोटो रखा था, कमिटेड टू कमिटमेंट्स। मतलब कोई भी ऑर्डर से लेके कोई भी हमारा कमिटमेंट हो वो पूरा फुलफिल करना है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मेंटेन द क्वालिटी। और कंटिन्यू ये जर्नी हम लोगों ने आज तक वो क्वालिटी और कमिटमेंट्स को मेंटेन कर रहे हैं। 2003 में हम लोगों ने प्राइवेट अपना लिमिटेड कंपनी फॉर्म करी और अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट एज ए कारपोरेट स्टार्ट की। फिर बाद में हम लोगों ने कारपोरेट क्लाइंट्स लाइक L&T, पीरामल्स, लोढ़ा, रुस्तम जी, ऐसे बड़े बड़े ब्रांड के साथ में काम करते गए और उनसे तो डिलीवर किए प्रोडक्ट। और आज की डेट में हम लोग उनके साथ में लगभग 60% से ज्यादा रिपीटेड बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, कंटिन्यू प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रहे हैं। तो ये हमारी एक कंपनी के लिए बहुत बड़ा वो अपना लैंडमार्क है। फिर जैसे जैसे काम बढ़ा, क्वालिटी बढ़ी, तो 2015 में हम लोगों ने अपनी फैसिलिटी पूना में एक्सपांड की क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट्स बढ़ रहे थे और वर्क भी बढ़ रहा था। वहां पुणे में फिर हम लोगों ने लेटेस्ट मशीन पूरा न्यूमेटिक सिस्टम के साथ में स्टार्ट किए पूरे मशीन्स को, कुछ इंपोर्ट किए मशीन्स एंड CNC मशीन से ऑपरेशन चालू किए, जहां पे की क्वालिटी बहुत प्राइम इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसके बाद फिर तो हम लोगों का इन हाउस पाउडर कोटिंग स्टार्ट किया ताकि कस्टमर को टाइम पे हम लोग अपने प्रोडक्ट तो देते रहे हैं। इसके बाद में हम लोगों ने अपनी जर्नी जैसे जैसे बढ़ाई, क्लाइंट बेस को बढ़ाया, और हमारी जो कैपेसिटी है वो कुछ प्रोफेशनल्स को हम लोगों ने हायर किए अपने कंपनी में। जो आज प्लांट हेड हैं वो ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री से हैं, जो बहुत बारीकियों से हर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में करते हैं, प्लस हमारी फैसिलिटी को काफ़ी इम्प्रूव किया। 2020 में हम लोग ने अपनी टीम को बिल्ड किया। फिर आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप्स अपने हिंडाल्को ने हम लोगों को अप्रोच किया, जहां हम लोगों ने उनके साथ में विंडो के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव पार्टनरशिप करी। प्रीवियस में हम लोगों ने बाकी कुछ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी के सिस्टम विंडो से काम किया, कुछ टाई अप किया, कुछ अनुभव तो रहे, बट फिर यहां हम लोगों ने एक्सक्लूसिव पार्टनरशिप करने के बाद में अपनी जर्नी को बढ़ाते गए। और मेन फोकस जो रहा ये विंडोज का, सभी विंडो टेस्टेड विंडोज हैं, क्योंकि क्वालिटी के साथ साथ में प्रॉपर तो विंडो ग्लेजिंग सिस्टम भी बराबर होना चाहिए। और फिर हमने अपने जो क्लाइंट हैं, जो रिपीटेड क्लाइंट हैं, उनके साथ में लॉन्ग टर्म अपने एग्रीमेंट किए, और वो एग्रीमेंट से हम लोगों का बिजनेस काफी बढ़ा और उन लोगों को कमिटेड क्वालिटी एंड टाइमली डिलीवर हम लोगों ने अपने प्रोडक्ट को दिया। फिर बाद में जो कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट अपने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में मेक इन इंडिया के तहत ही आते हैं। कुछ बीच में हम लोगों ने बड़े काम किए। एक अपने बिरला के साथ में टाई अप करके कल्याण में एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट पे काम चल रहा है, जो ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटिंग स्टेज पे है, और वो भी इटर्निया सिस्टम के साथ कर रहे हैं। फिर बाद में हम लोगों ने L&T के साथ में काफी जॉब करे, और उनके कंटिन्यूअसली प्रोजेक्ट पे प्रोजेक्ट तो रिपीटेड काम कर रहे हैं। अपने हाई राइज का हम लोगों की स्पेशलिटी है, क्योंकि वहां हर कोई भी वो विंडो के क्राइटेरिया को देखते हुए वो विंडो को हम लोगों ने सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। जैसे जैसे जर्नी बढ़ रही है, अभी लास्ट में हम लोगों ने और दूसरे टाई अप्स भी किए, प्लस बाद में हमारी फैमिली में जो हुआ है, 3 तो ब्रदर हैं, एक फैक्ट्री देखते हैं, एक ब्रदर अपने ऑफिस देखते हैं, और मैं ओवरऑल देखता हूं। इसके बाद हमारा एक एडवांटेज है इस कंपनी को फॉर्म करने के, कि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जो है वो हमारे साथ है। तो बच्चों को भी इस प्रोडक्ट में, इस टेक्निकल में इंटरेस्ट आया, तो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन भी हमारे साथ में आई। मेरा बेटा है, मेरा भतीजा है, वो यंग है, और वो लोग भी अभी 5 से 7 साल से इस कंपनी में जुड़े हैं, तो वो एक नई एनर्जी कंपनी को दे रहे हैं। तो मैं गोविंदा को इनवाइट करूंगा, वो कुछ बताएगा। थैंक यू।
I welcome everyone. My name is Govinda Kabra. I am Chief Marketing Officer of Eluwind. So first to brief about myself, I have done my BTech Mechanical from Symbiosis Pune. I am basically heading the execution and the marketing side of this company. Another my colleague, Mr. Akshat Kabra, he has done his MS from UK in facade engineering, and so he is helping us in our design and our production team, and which is a very core part of this business, to have a very strong and design team. Eluwind is basically in a segment of manufacturing and installation of aluminium products, like you can see, like system windows, doors, curtain walls, structural glazing, skylights, canopies, spider glazing, any aluminium cladding like ACP, drywall cladding, even the unitized glazing, which is the latest technology in the glazing, the baluster railings, aluminium railings, and various similar kind of products. We have a special state-of-the-art facility in Pune, which is equipped, which is around 45,000 square feet in area, and it is equipped with the most advanced machineries like CNC, which helps us in getting the precision in the fabrication of aluminium, which is most required. Also, we have our in-house powder coating automatic machine. We have designed our plant in such a way that it is properly designated areas like fabrication, assemblies, and dispatch areas, finished goods product, so that nothing get mixed up, and finally the client gets a good product. Moving on to the advantages we have from the other competitors. The main advantage along with Kabra ji is that we have seen Mr. M.M. Kabra right from my childhood, and he has been the main encouraging part for me as well as our team, that the way he has gone from right from the bottom of this industry to the top, and we really which encourages us to be in this business, and that's the reason which basically I joined around 8 or 9 years back, and he's the main motivation which we get. So we have this experienced management team, we have the experienced marketing team which can deliver, which can secure our big projects. Also, we have a very good reputation with the client and in the market. Clients like L&T Realty, Piramal, Lodha, Rustamji, these are big brands, and they are providing us repeated orders, and which is what makes us to come in the IPO to get the capital, that so that we can get more orders and they are ready to give. We have a long-term contract with L&T Realty, which is a very difficult thing to get, but they have given us on basis of our performance in the past almost a decade. Now moving on, we have our as I said, Akshat is leading the design, and he's done the MS in from UK mainly in the facade engineering. That's what our MD's vision was. So now we have our team, in-house design team and innovation team, which gives us the solution of the overall projects which are under considerations, so that our marketing team can secure those orders. These are some key projects. You must have visited Santa Cruz in Kalina. This is Alcargo Logistic, which is one of the unique projects which we have done back in 2011, and it is having a bend DGU in both the side, as well as the whole glass is projected at 5 feet from the slab of RCC. So this was one of the unique projects. Then Mantri Cosmos in Hyderabad, again one of the big projects which we have done. In Marquardt, Hinjewadi, again one of the IT parks which we have completed. The main key factor in Marquardt was we have completed the whole project of around 3 to 5 CR within 3 months. Key residential projects. One of the most premium project in Mumbai in Lower Parel is L&T Crescent Bay, which is where we began relation with L&T in 2015, and we got the first project, first tower of 65 story, and depending on our performance, they have given us back to back 2 more buildings. Overall it is a 6 building project, out of which we have done 3, and no other competitor has done more than 1 building because they were not able to perform. So that's where our relation with L&T increased. Also we are having presence some projects in Mangalore, we have in Hyderabad, as well as in Pune we have good presence, like Emanora, one of the biggest township We have completed many of the projects. Now, a brief information regarding the tie-up we have. We have a very good collaboration with Aditya Birla Group, Eternia brand, Hindalco. They are, we are anchor partners with them, which positions our overall market, our sales team and the quality team. It helps us gaining, it helps us to get the big projects. They are, and it is an exclusive tie-up. No one in this industry has this kind of tie-up, and that's what makes us different. The windows which Eternia provides is a Viva certified window from IIT Delhi. Viva basically stands for wind, water and air test. This Viva certified windows are mainly came into existence in 2020 Eternia, and the main purpose was that in India now, India has come into cyclonic zone. This cyclone zone makes India a more critical product, the window, because now at the high, as the Mumbai and the other regions are getting high rises like 64 floors, even 80 floors. So there the wind load and the air pressure and the water pressure is huge. So these windows are tested, and these windows are mainly made to get to sustain those high wind loads. And we have done lots of projects with Eternia which has already proven. One of the special features of Eternia windows is once the builder handovers the building, we have an exclusive hotline number which are given to the each and every customers who are resident at the building. They can call the hotline number and get their windows repair or any service if required. Now I call upon stage Mr. Nikunj, who is our merchant banker, and he will go with through you through the IPO.
So, hello everyone, welcome, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed potential investors and distinguished guests. As we gather here today, I am thrilled to shed some light on the small and medium enterprises in India. So, SMEs are the backbone of Indian economy. As per the latest market research, there are roughly 6.5 crores of micro and small, medium and enterprises in India, amongst which around 3.5 lakhs are small and medium enterprises. These small and medium enterprises have shown tremendous growth over the recent years and has always been a strong part of Indian economy. Their unparalleled flexibility, their adaptability to market demands, their innovations, their ideas, their employment generation capacity have always given Indian economy a strong base and led Indian economy to a sustainable development. They cater to various products and services to both local and the global market, and thus leading to a sustainable development. Over the recent past, we have seen that the trajectory of SME growth has been towards an upward side. And with this growth, there is a lot of potential for the lucrative investors to ride on this capital market journey with them. So, and I am very excited that I have been a part of such an SME and associating with the association with Aluwind Architectural Limited in their capital market journey. As a lead manager, this is my first IPO, and I am very happy to bring companies, helping companies like Aluwind Architectural Limited to venture into the capital market. So with this, about the company and the managing director and the operations of the company, you have had lights. I will like to spotlight on the issue. So Aluwind Architectural Limited is going to be listed on the SME platform of NSE. It is a fixed price issue. The price of the issue is okay, sorry, we have a presentation here. Okay, so I'll go through the issue details, which is there on the screen itself. So this is a fixed price issue, and the price is fixed at 45 rupees. The issue is opening tomorrow, 28th of March, and will close on 4th of April 2024. So this issue comprises completely fresh issue of 66 lakh shares, which will be around 26.5% of dilution post listing. The lot size, the minimum lot size for retail investors is 3,000 shares, and for HNIs 6,000 shares. The issue has been underwritten by a market maker for 3,30,000 shares, and NNM Securities Private Limited is the market maker to the issue. We are proposing this issue on NSE Emerge. The objects to the issue is to raise capital for working capital requirements. The issue size is 29.7 CR, and the working capital will be 20.45 CR, which will be utilized from the proceeds of the issue. Rest will be the general corporate purposes and the issue expenses. So the net proceeds will primarily be utilized for the working capital requirements of the company. Till date, the company has been doing good towards maintaining their working capital requirements. Going forward, the company proposes to utilize these funds towards this working capital, as they are operating currently in their 55% capacity. With the growth in the real estate and the requirement and the demand of such glass facades and systems in India and in Maharashtra majorly, so the capacity is going to, they are proposing to double their capacity from 55% and run on a double shift, and hence the working capital requirement increases. So I believe this, all the details, issue size and everything is clear to you, and in case you have any queries or any questions to ask, you may please ask. Thank you everyone. Yes, sir.
It's not available on Paytm IPO site.
Paytm IPO site. So we have, as on morning, there were few such portals wherein they were having issues with the link. We have already highlighted our team. Many of them are resolved. I believe by day end this will also get resolved. Okay, sir. So I would like to call upon, Ms. Varsha Shah, CFO of the company, to address you guys. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Varsha Shah, CFO of Elegant Architecture Limited. I am associated with this company since 10 years. Of course, definitely आप लोग सब लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं IPO के लिए, तो definitely सब लोग यही पहले तो जानना चाह रहे होंगे कि what are the financial highlights of this company, what is the turnover of our company. So I am going to start with the turnover of our company. See, here you can see our company's performance has increased significantly in the last 3 financial years. Revenue has increased by 69% from 29 CR in FY22 to 49 CR in financial year 23. We have already clocked revenue of 41 CR in first half year in 23-24 and expect to close financial year 23-24, means this current year, at our record high numbers. Now coming to EBITDA. Now presenting EBITDA margin. There has been an increasing trend from financial year 22. EBITDA margin was 7.31% in FY22, 10.02 in FY23, and we are expecting 14.05 in financial year 24. Similarly, our PAT is also increased 2.72 in financial year 22, 5.53 in 23, and expecting 9.01 in FY24. Now, coming to return on equity. From financial year 22, it was the ratio 9.74 to increase to 22.62 in financial year 23, and now expecting the same 49% raise in financial year 24. You now have any query on these financial numbers or anything, so we can clear?
Madam, what is the equity capital before the issue and after the issue?
Before the issue, it was 18.24, and after it was 26 point something approximately.
And after the issue, what will be the promoters holding in the company?
For that, I will just like to call our merchant banker for the same query. Just 1 second.
Yes, sir.
What is this one ratio? Please, sir, can you please repeat your question?
Yeah. What will be the promoters holding after the public issue?
After the public issue, it will be 73.5. The dilution is 26.5. A bit of 1% is some other people. So this will be around 73%. Yeah.
Now I'll call upon. Okay.
Borrowings of the company.
The borrowing today stands at around 9 CR. And the working capital, currently the company is operating with a working capital of 22 CR. And the borrowings are around 9 CR, which includes long-term borrowings for roughly around 4 CR. Yeah.
And you said you're working 55% capacity. So
Right.
Why is the gap of 45%? Why not at 98?
So that is what we are trying to achieve. We have orders in hand, but with the double shift, there will be working capital requirement, and that is why we are coming with this publication.
What is the order book size?
So it is currently, as on date, we have unbilled of order of around 150 CR. I'm not wrong, sir?
1.5 plus. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, how much order you are expecting for coming year? Coming financial year, sorry.
So we already have in hand for 150, and I think we are full with that for the coming year.
Okay.
Rest depends, sir, how good we do with our business, and with this working capital, how we can maximize the number of opportunities. So I cannot give you an exact number, but I believe we will be doing much better than this.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
More than 1 year, we are already occupied our capacity.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2 points.
Yeah.
What is the working capital cycle? How many days?
So working capital cycle, it is around 70-75 days.
Secondly, the CFO mentioned that the EBITDA margin was 7.3% in FY22,
Yeah.
which went up to 10.02 in 23.
So that was majorly because of the fall in aluminium prices. Yes.
And likely to go up to 14.25.
So that is not a major thing, because that will be just an operational efficiency. Today, as on September, you see we are already on an EBITDA of 13.88% precisely. So going to 14.25% is just an operational efficiency and economies of scale. So we will have achieved that.
So after the IPO, once your production capacity goes up from 55%, say to 80, 85 or 90,
Yes.
you are sure that the EBITDA margins will be maintained at 14.25?
So in fact, we are seeing, we are forecasting, if the company does good with such numbers, with the projections, so it will be around 15%, whereas the PAT will increase. So PAT is currently at 9%, and it should rise to 12% as per projections. But again, there are other factors also that comes into picture.
And 3 years down the line, you will be shifting to the main board?
Sir, I think आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you and all.
Sir, who are the
Thank
other
you.
players in the sector, concerned sector?
Pardon, sir?
Who are the other players?
So there is one competitor which is listed, Innovators Facade, which was listed 5 years ago, I guess, and it was brought by Pantomath and in the SME sector. Yeah, I'm on BSc SME.
What is the enterprise value and how is your PE compared to your competitors' PE?
So our enterprise value is around 110 to 115 CR. We are bringing this issue with a PE of around 15, and competitors' PE is much higher than that.
What is the book value of your share price?
Oh, sir, that's a very good question. It should be, net worth is 20 crores, so sir, it should be 2.5 crores of capital. So it should be around 11. Yeah. Sir, I may be wrong. I'll get it back to you on exact book value of the company. But the net worth as on September's audited figure is 20 crores.
You are asking for, you need a 30 CR, around 30 CR from the IPO.
Yes, sir.
And at 45 rupees per share.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
That is the fixed price.
Fixed price. No up and down, sir. Fixed price.
And do you have any collaboration with any glass manufacturer?
Sir.
Yeah, we are using Saint Gobain अपने
Do you have
glass.
any collaboration kind of thing of them or?
We have some tied up, yeah. So means अपने we are platinum partner for them. Saint Gobain. No, we use.
So they are not
Guardian
brand dependent,
as well as
We are
Asahi
basically
also.
we have no tie-up with any glass manufacturer.
It's open
We are
market.
open to use Guardian or the Saint Gobain or Asahi. These are the major three
So as
players.
a real estate company, you do end-to-end complete work or
Yes.
you do half?
No, end to end.
Complete. Right from
Yes,
yes, installation, silicon, handing over, cleaning.
Including designs.
Yes.
With the design.
And do you take after sales service contract also for long term like something else?
No.
Or
As of
right
now,
now,
we are not taking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What are the threats you see in next 2 years, 2 to 5 years? And since there are no peers, only you, as you said, there is a one peer.
Yes.
I still feel this is a unorganized. The market.
Sir, that is the very good point about this thing.
Yeah, unorganized.
This sector is very unorganized. However, the players are trying to be organized in this. That is a good part about what I can say about this client is. So this, if you see the real estate market in totality, that's huge. That runs from thousands of crores, right? And this so exactly
This market is 23,500 crore as on today, and it is about to get increased up to 43 crore by 2032. More than 40.
And you have any numbers that this organized sector, how much market share they are taking, considering? Like,
Sir,
Hardly there are one
Sir, you
player
can-
and we are there. Hardly two to three players
Sir, you-
are listed.
Sir, your answer is within your question. As you can see, we don't have peers. So organized sector, organized players in this market.
The value is at 24,000,
23,000.
23,000. How much the market share?
He wants to
Not
get
even
split.
1%.
Exactly.
Your market share is not even 1%,
No.
not even 0.5%.
Yeah.
Less than
Sir,
Yeah, so there are.
Sir, when we say about 23,000 crore market, that comprises of lot many things in the real estate. This is just one part.
A lot to
And-
do.
And this is about facades. So building, constructing a building involves lot many things. This is just one facade thing. Now with,
You are talking about the facade market share,
Yeah,
No,
window
facade
and
only, windows and facade.
that is 23,500.
Yes. So there is a huge scope.
But you are operating mostly in Mumbai area or other area?
No, in Pan India we are
But our
operating
ये presence in अपना Western India.
is more.
Yeah, more.
Any project you have done in South or any other?
Yes, we have done in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mangalore, Visakhapatnam, Asian Paints project we have done.
So we do with the corporate clients only. Maximum work with the client like L&T,
Do you have any
ABB.
certification from them?
Yes.
So, like,
Yes.
We have the completion certificate, even the appraisal certificate also we have.
no, so-
एक अपने यूनिक चीज और
Can
बताऊंगा
share it.
कि इस 33 इयर्स की जर्नी में एक भी ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है जो एल्यूविंड ने इनकम्प्लीट छोड़ा हो.
Very good. Very good.
That's why our company motto is committed to commitments.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you mentioned you have a tie-up with Hindalco for the Eternia.
Eternia brand.
There is another competing brand in Fenesta.
Yes, but nothing stops them from using any other brand products. They are anchor partners with Eternia, which is a premium brand, you know.
How about Fenesta? Are we connected with them?
No, Fenesta is mostly UPVC windows.
Yeah.
In a UPVC, but we are in aluminum windows. So in Mumbai, जो एल्यूमिनियम अपने विंडो की डिजाइन एंड यहाँ के तो वेदर कंडीशन के लिए सूटेबल है, वो यूपीवीसी विंडो सूट नहीं करती है. और नाउ इट इज पीपल आर चेंजिंग अपना देयर माइंड. तो यूपीवीसी अब दिन पर दिन कम होके, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, बेंडनेस, कलर फेडिंग, सेल्फ स्ट्रेंथ है नहीं उसकी. और जो एल्यूमिनियम में डिजाइन्स आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, यूनिक स्लिम अपना लाइन है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि एल्यूमिनियम अपने देश में ही पैदा होता है, माइंस अपने यहाँ पे हैं, तो मतलब हम लोग अपने यहीं का मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट को ही प्रमोट कर रहे हैं.
100%.
एंड अपना रिसाइकल है, जो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग के लिए बहुत बड़ा कंसेप्ट.
Aluminum has a huge high tensile strength.
Yes.
Even an aircraft is made out of aluminum sheets. So aluminum, one, high tensile strength, and two, it is corrosion resistant.
Resistance.
Like we are in a city like Mumbai along the coast. Basically, if you see a general excuse given by anybody for any repair, sir, you are near the sea, so it is.
Yes, that is.
But a well-made product will never.
नेवर. और हिंडाल्को इटर्निया ने एक पेटेंटेड अलाय को इनोवेट किया है अपने, जिसका नाम ड्यूरेनियम है. उसकी हाई टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ है और वो पेटेंटेड है वो अपना प्रोडक्ट. इनकी जर्मन अपना फैसिलिटी ने डेवलप किया है, और वो हम लोग ये विंडोज में सेल कर रहे हैं उसको.
Also, it was used in Chandrayaan.
Wonderful.
Yes.
And sir, we were with Tata Steel. They have a subsidiary, Ahelada, which makes steel doors.
स्टील डोर्स.
Is aluminum door a possibility going forward?
Yes. Aluminum can be.
There are aluminum
Lots of
safety
scope.
doors.
There are.
Already.
Yes. We can.
And how does it compare cost-wise with the normal, say, wooden windows? I mean, wooden doors. Sorry.
Wooden door
Wooden
is
is
rather more
nowadays
costly, as
nobody-
well as it is not weather resistant.
Maintenance issue is there in the wood.
So aluminum is rather much cheaper than wood.
Much cheaper.
Yes.
So the idea is to move towards more of
Yeah.
aluminum
Yes.
Yes.
going forward.
Yes.
And with real estate giving the lead, then even existing structures can be going through a replacement.
Yes.
Thank you and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Any project you have done in Mumbai?
Yes, sir. A lot of projects we have done. L&T with Crescent Way and
Piramal, Rivanta,
Piramal,
Yoda, NCP, Vadala, Alcargo Logistic.
in Kalina.
Aluminum.
Seawood also with L&T. And now in अपना Regio at अपना Mulund.
Rustamji, Yazrina, Runwal, Nirvana,
The Piramals also.
all the high rises majorly.
So we are expert in the field of high rise to building.
You have your own extrusion plant?
No, extrusion is coming from this thing, अपने Hindalco. Yes.
You give them the section.
They
They
give
get
us.
a complete system to be craft and execute. Thank you.
Now I would like to call upon Mr. Nikunj Mittal, who is our market maker.
Welcome everyone, welcome investors, welcome friends. I would really like to thank you all for coming here on a working day and gracing this occasion. I'd like to thank Kabra ji, because he has given me this chance to invest in this wonderful company, and also the merchant banker and his consultant, Mr. Prakash, who has been his growth consultant, and he's been helping this company actually achieve good heights as such. And I believe that he'll keep doing that. One of the, why somebody want to invest in a particular company or in the market? There are two main reasons I believe. सबसे first basic and most important reason is that the government is going to remain stable. अब की बार फिर मोदी सरकार, अब की बार 400 पार. That actually gives investor a lot of confidence to stay in the market. I believe so. And invest in the market. If the market remains strong, their money would remain intact. So that's a very important condition even for us also, to invest in a volatile condition like today, where everything is not happening right on the SME side. So believe me, this is something like a boon to us, where such a good company has come in our side as such. Secondly, you already seen the fundamentals of the company. You have seen the other reasons behind what is the kind of growth potential this company has. The most important part is the promoters. They have a mix of experience as well as young people who can actually help this company achieve fantastic heights. And I actually believe that they will be able to do that for a very simple reason. They have been working very hard. Even Kabra ji at this age, he works hell-bound. I've been to their son's marriage, and even in his marriage, he was attending to L&T and all the other, the people from Rustam ji and everyone, to see to it that how can he get the best, maximum business from them, which was fantastic. Even in the night, late night, after his, his wedding ceremony and everything, he was trying to, manage those people also. So this is something very fantastic. At that point of time, people like to be home with their family and other people, but he was busy attending to his, business guest as such, which was fantastic. So I believe that this is the right company to invest as such. That is all that I can say here. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We are immensely happy to have each one of you all present here. Your presence made this event a great success. Thank you everyone, and I request you all please join us for high tea and refreshments.
Thank you.